Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to edit a picture on Snapseed. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. And even if you are not connected with your internet, that's not a big issue for this app Snapseed. So we will first of all go to our gallery and select the photo which we want to edit. So we will select this one and we will open it like we will share. You will click the option of share and here is the Snapseed application. We will open our Snapseed application. So here are the tools. These are the filters like portrait, smooth, pop. We will go to tools and we will first tune the image. This is the brightness. We have chosen -37 contrast. We will make it like aesthetic photo. Ambience, like we want to add it -18 is better, so we will down the highlights and we will okay, the shadow should be -25. Okay, then you will take it. Here are the details. We will tap on details and here is the structure, like clarity, picture clarity, and we can also add some sharpening tool in it. Okay, so if you want to make it vintage photo, you will simply tap on this vintage and here are the some filters of vintage. So this one is a cool. So here is the style strength. You can move up to 100 or you can adjust it as you want it. Here is virginity. So here is the saturation we want to add. Okay, so our picture have been edited. So this was the simple process of editing the picture. So now I am showing you the before picture and the after editing picture. Look, before it was like this and after it like this. So this is the simple and easy process. Snapseed app is very easy to use, so you can edit the pictures on it like this. If you want more tutorials, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.